Did we just convert somebody?
I tell you what, we really had a weird season.
Well, it's 65 degrees. Oh, this feels so good. Supposed to warm up a little next week, but man, I'll take this 65. It's just a little after 10. What a great day to ride down here. Now, today's ride wasn't that big of a ride. We took off here from camp, went a little ways up 23. I tell you right here, this is a nice set of roads. 107, and you can turn into 281. 281's beautiful. Right up here, we got into Blue Ridge Parkway then. I didn't realize we got on it that quick. But anyway, we got into Blue Ridge Parkway, and this was the section with the real high portion. Then it was back towards Maggie Valley. Wheels Through Time. We ate in Maggie Valley. Somewhere in there. This map here, I will put it on the YouTube channel so you can end up seeing the link. And remember, when you see the link, you can zoom in anywhere. Like right here, you just hit the little man, then you scroll in a little bit, and then you go ahead and wherever you want to see, you see. Got it? But ride was really nice. Total mileage of this whole trip was around 126 miles. It was a great day. Now this Charlie Creek Road, I gotta say, that again was a nice road. Man, the pictures does it so much more justice than the video. And there was one section here where they got a lot of baby Christmas trees right there. That was cool. Now this clip kind of cracks me up. In a minute you're going to see Marcia. I mean, there she goes. She is in her element now. This is one of our stops, and as always we pull over and we may be starting to tell stories of the past. Just having a good time.
Yeah. So they just got a pool in, like I was telling you. And so we were over there last weekend for a big pool party. And she's like, "Grandpa, you gonna get in the pool?" I said, "I don't have a babysitter." I'll let you wear one of mine.
Just that serious.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, that would be a pretty sight.
I'm really strange when I watch. Oh, but Ed said, I'm changing shirts, remember? Yeah.
Well, with Marcia, when we first started riding, Marcia's listening to her radio on her bike. And we get at a stop sign somewhere, and she goes, "Go, go, go, go!" And I almost pulled out in front of a car. She was on the radio listening to the guy running. She's going, "Go, go, go, go!" That did happen. But anyway, back on the trip here, one thing I want to mention, we did go into Maggie Valley, and we had intentions to go through Wheels Through Time, but we didn't get the chance. And I recommend you do try that out. I think everybody here has been there before, and it's pretty much time for us to visit it again. Right here it's September in Florida. It is hot. Here we're in jackets. Ironic. Here it's in November, and we're back in jackets in Florida. Yeah. It's always nice finding, information on the web when you're making these trips. And highest place on the Blue Ridge now. There's a higher place, but I guess it's not considered because it's off the Blue Ridge Highway. But here we are getting a few pictures. They were having a ceremony here, scattering the ashes of a brother. And there's our group, and we're just enjoying our ride. Country Vittles is the name of this restaurant, and one thing you got to watch out, they close at 2 o'clock. He's having a bad helmet day.
Hey, I decided to pull over in case this wasn't a non-helmet state.
Here we're parked in front of the restaurant, and with Ed just coming up, we had passed him. He left before us, but Ed forgot that North Carolina has a helmet law, so he had to pull over and put his helmet back on. But this place here, it did have, like the sign said, all you can eat, and they kind of brought it to you. It weren't a big buffet. You needed more of this, you asked for more of this, and the food is good. Got my mouth watering right now. Now I got a couple of different cameras, and this here is videos coming off my sunglasses, and I'm still learning that you got to go real slow, and it doesn't take great indoor video, but this gives you an idea what the restaurant looked like inside. Well, we had one more stop that we had to make, and that was at the ABC store. And after this stop here, it was back to the camp, cutting up, talking, having a good time. And like I said, I had to put this web page of Wheels Through Time. You do need to check it out. It's a neat little museum. And like I said, most of us had already been here once in the past, and we will be back again in the future.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's Motorcycle Trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?